Tata Steel is a steel production facility. It is part of a worldwide consortium. Here we are in the Netherlands, IJmuiden. We have 9,500 workers at this facility, where there are 5,400 workers working around the clock 24/7 in different shifts, continuing our production. My name is Ben Wezelman, technical specialist for the drone department. For inspection purposes we use the DJI M300 combined with the H20T, the L1 and the P1. And also we utilize the Mavic 3 Enterprise for photogrammetry and inspection purposes. Before we use drones, we used to go about every stockpile individually and visually estimate how much there was in that area. So now, with the use of drones, it is done much more accurately. Before this, the manual method proved to be inaccurate and time-consuming, so we started using drones. It was more efficient, more cost-efficient, but also more accurate than the manual method. And with Dock 2, we have it at our fingertips, so we can do it more frequently and at a much lower cost. So that's a win-win situation for us. Comparing the DJI Dock with our previous method, we used to have to set up the takeoff and landing spot, check the batteries, work the pre-flight checklist and the last-minute risk assessment. With the Dock, this is all done automatically, so it saves a lot of time. So time saving is more efficient. In the old way of measuring our stockpiles, man and machine came together in the same area. And with the introduction of drones, we separated that, and it also is much more cost efficient. So safety and efficiency come together by employing drones. Besides what we do right now with our drones, we have a vision of using drones for site security, but also delivering goods, for making our maintenance more efficient. And we also would like to use more photogrammetry, but with thermal imaging for temperature efficiency. For DJI Docks, we see a future here, for example, in our fire department assistance for doing a 360 scan before the troops arrive.